So today is a sad day. What is going on, YouTube? Today is a sad day. You might be wondering why it's a sad day. It's because I'm selling the Accord, guys. I never really thought I would be actually doing this, but today's the day. It sucks, it's like a muggy day. I would have liked to go get a couple more pictures with the car. But the reason why I'm selling is because I'm looking for a new daily, and I've had this car forever, guys. I want something that's rear wheel drive as a daily. Something that's a little bit more fun, that we can do some drift stuff. But I'm cleaning this car out. It's pretty bad. It's from going to work, dropping people off and stuff. But I'm gonna clean this thing out, give her one more goodbye, and then she's gonna be gone forever. Gone forever, guys. It sucks. So we gotta get all this stuff out the trunk. I'm probably gonna go grab a bag and then take all this stuff out so that we can clean this up and make it look semi-presentable. He doesn't really care. It's one of my buddies. He doesn't care what it looks like, but I just want to get all my stuff out because I need all my stuff because it's mine. Alright guys, we got this is the last little bit of stuff we had in the car, guys. This is super sad, but you can't really progress in life if you stay the same. So it's time for a new journey with the new car, and take you guys with me. But I'm just waiting for him now. I pretty much got everything. I mean, it's not clean, obviously. It's gonna need. He said he didn't care, but I mean, I would have cleaned it for him, but he didn't care. So Hoopty Accord is gonna have his new journey here. Hopefully, I mean, this car is great. It's a great car. I can't wait to show you guys what I should be getting. Once I sell this bike, it's gonna be a wrap. I'm gonna have this new car. Alrighty, guys. So Zach is here. He's gonna take me because I can't obviously just drop the car off and have no car. But Zach's pulling up. He's got his new car. He bought my dad's 325i E46. Pretty dope. Cool little daily for Zach until he gets saves enough money so we can do a little something. But I'm waiting for Zach. Let's see where he's at. I'm gonna go start the car and stuff. Let's go. You just gotta follow me.
Okay, that's true.
All right, I'm just going there, dropping off. This is the last drive, guys. The last drive in the Honda, guys. This is crazy. Like, I never would think I was gonna sell this car. Like, post in the comments below what your favorite moments of this car was when I had it on the channel. I'm gonna be making a little montage for as like a little goodbye for the Accord, guys. So let's go ahead and watch that before we sell this thing. I'm about to order a carbon fiber trunk for it, emblem. But this car I'm pretty much done with. I don't want to put any more like major money into it. I need a good bit of work, but I have fully custom exhaust from the header back. I don't like the way it sounds. Hell yeah. This was hard. I told you guys, like this video, because even if we can't figure out something to drift, we're gonna drift it. It doesn't matter. Front wheel drive, all wheel drive, rear wheel drive. Look at crazy. Yeah, it's a fast. He's gonna rob the bank, guys.
TTSP build 2018.
Hurry up, get in, man. Hurry up.
In my bank account. Getting sideways out here. Oh yeah. I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause.
Oh. Oh shoot. Look at this crazy guy.
Like my whip. That's turbo. That's my God. Yeah.
Snip all this stuff off real fast and get it sanded down. Hey, well, I broke the blade.
Fuck, man.
Amateur. Say.
Nah, this bitch is numb though.
So we just lowered her. Now she's where she's supposed to be. Now we gotta do the other side and figure out what we gotta measure and stuff, so. And then we're gonna go and get these wheels. Money.
3 hours later.
That was a great pee, mate. He was bag, that should've looked icy.
The low and slow boys. What's he scraping on? Oh, a leaf. Anyway, close the gap. Get bodied. Oh, Bildy.
Damn.
Oh.
Damn.
Oh, there they go. They're going at it.
Damn.
I'm a sumo wrestler.
Damn.
Drop him, Aywad. That's how we bumming up. You're alright, yeah. You're alright. I know. No, he's alright.
Straight axle. Oh fuck. No! No!
Alright. Alrighty, so we got a surprise of all these friends. You know what I'm saying? We got everybody here. We got Johnny, got Ali. So Derek's here. We're gonna try to get this axle on, hopefully. If not, it's gonna be bad. Is the car on the ground? No.
No.
Try lowering it.
Yeah, you got your foot on the brake.
Putting up the window.
Alrighty mates, well we're in the wild here. We've spotted a wild award and look at that hairline,
Look
mate.
at the Hawaiian Jonah Hill over
It's
there.
not there. Oi mate, where's your hairline?
This is it, guys. We're pulling up right now. This is not good. I'm so sad, so sad.
You want me to get a picture with you real quick?
Yeah, nah, it's all good, man. We got the monies. He test drove it, he liked it and everything. It sucks. This really freaking sucks, but like I said, guys, on to new beginnings. Sorry if I look like I don't even know. I got like 10 shirts on because I was cleaning this thing out. It's pretty cold, it's like icy out. I'm gonna head over and check out this new car. Hopefully it checks out because that'll be pretty sick. Damn, dude. So many memories just all gone. No.
That you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow.
So that's that, guy. So yeah, guys, the cord's gone. Post in the comments below if you guys have been a subscriber for the longest time. We're at 15K now, so one of you guys have to been there for the cord. Post down in the comments below what your favorite moment was with the cord. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you the next one, guys, to see what new car I got. Peace.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
Get bodied. Oh, Bildy.
Damn.
Oh.
Damn.
Oh, there they go. They're going at it.
Damn.
I'm a sumo wrestler.
Damn.
Drop him.